Pam was sad and sulky because Roy always made her cry. He was too busy being a boisterous bully plus a sour selfish guy. She was somewhat bewildered as tears rained from her weeping eyes. Her relationship wasn't smooth sailing, so she told him goodbye. He yelled, "Hey, if you ever leave, damn, you're gonna die. I'm the one who makes you and I'll break you, so go on if you wanna try." The nosy neighbor from next door shouted, "Somebody call police." She was by her usual spot at the zinc fence where she peeped. Mary was too busy taking a selfie to share a Facebook post. Suddenly start recording and virally shared at most. The preaching pastor came praying, but counseling never worked. Pam ran away the following day when Roy was out for work. She later found Dick, who gave her firm attention. She enjoyed having sex, but oops, no protection. Few months later, she was pregnant. No baby father was around. Her mind went Googling, but Dick was never found. Billy shortly took her up and offered for her to be his bride. She was more than delighted and promised never to leave his side. He thought he was the baby's father. Happiness displayed evidently in his eyes. Billy felt silly when he found out it wasn't so and later commit suicide. Pam never had a good education. She sold back juice to make ends meet. Few months after she gave birth, she was selling her body on the streets. Life journey got intricate. She prayed and said, "Oh God, I can't take no more." A year after she bought a car, some people called her whore. She later furthered her education because she knew she wanted to soar. Now can you guess and tell me who is that janitor at her self-owned clothing store? My name is Pam. That's the name of this poem. By yours truly, artist Craig Kirkland, aka Amaziyah the Great. So I'm in the process right now, trying to complete my book of poetry. So be on the lookout for that. But with all of that said, you saw that poem that we just recite? From 2016 I wrote it and it's still relevant. You get to me and say, big up my sister, Trudy in Quality Kirkland, for play the role, because there is also a short movie out and there's a visual for that poem on the YouTube. So go and go check it out. My main two message is no to domestic violence, no to domestic abuse. Hey boy, from you not treat the woman right, get out our sight and leave our life alone. You get to me and say, because it don't make sense, we're not going to continue with the fights and the arguments and the whole 9 yards. Treat our women with respect. And not only that, I want to tell all of the independent women, say, yo, kudos and congratulations on your journey. Women, stay focused. Avoid the toxic relationship, people. Whether you're a man or you're a woman. Anytime you see like too much argument and chaos and confusion, if you can't work it out, just get out. It don't make no sense when you go there in a confusion and violence and war, and you get to me and say, it's pointless. I want to take the time out to big up my picnic them who in the intro of this official video. My name is Pam on YouTube. Whole heap of greatness today in store, so look out for my book. I aiming to try to get it released for February and my daughter's birthday, February 15. So just be on the lookout for that. At this current moment, I don't know whether in the States I go on promote and endorse it to the fullest and make the people know what I go on. We did a couple open mics. You get to me and say, Rasta Tiba, big up yourself in a Utica, Brooklyn. You don't know, Michelle, Verona, all of the people who wish me all the best for my journey. All of the people in my yard, enough respect, big respect. And I keep going and going like that Energizer Bunny, work hard for a while. I will not do nothing funny. Tell them precisely. Great ways the gateway while the sunshine will make it. Big ups to all the fans all across the world. Support my music on Spotify. It's available on Amazon, iTunes, all both. You get to me and say? All route. So, me have a closing line Amaziyah the Great collection, so check that out. Also, it's on teespring.com. You get to me and say, so, and more greatness, the movie coming soon, Breed Keisha. Big up on yourself. Maximum respect to all the fans, all the cast, everybody who participated on that film and who contributed towards my journey. Manners and respect, Amaziyah the Great. Tell them precisely.